Hey, and we're back with some more Pokey packs. Okay, so we got some more. We got some Rebel Clash. We got some Sword and Shield. We got some Evolution XY. Some Darkness Ablaze. Hey, we got packs for days. So we got bam. We can open up any of these, man. But let's you know what I mean. I got another little. Who's that Pokemon right here with me? Okay. Oh, that's Vulpix. Bam. Man, that was too easy. That's Vulpix for sure. Alright, but let me see. Let's get to it. I want to open one of these Rebel Clash. Let's get to it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. This is how we do it. Alright, so let's go. Oh man, let's try to open these damn packs nicely. Cause I like the packs, man. You gotta preserve them. Get your Pokemon cards good, man. I mean, oh shit. Fucking hit that shit. Anyways, here we are. Don't fuck with those. Alright, let's go. Bam. Impidimp. What's that? Impidimp. Whoop it is. Okay. The graphics are dope on this one. Look at that one. Little rabbit. Shit. Bunnelby. Okay, look at that. It's a Phantom. That's cool. Creepy. Look at this fool. Look creepy, huh? Farfetch card. The new Farfetch, I guess. It's alright. Oh, and we hit one of these hollows. Freaking nose pads for that ass. Yeah. Okay, keep that right there. A Diggersby. Bugs Bunny with a 6-pack or some shit like that. Damn. We got an energy. Looks like a bus. Charge a bug. What the hell it is? Skunk Tank got one to tank and let loose. And a full heal. That pack was weak. It's another pack. What was that? We'll do a Sword and Shield. This crap. Let's do a Sword and Shield pack for the attack. Pokemon, come on, get some shiners. Get your shine on. And little Weezy right here with me. Little Weezy. Get me, man. These mother. I hear that shit. Alright. Alright, man. Let's do this. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Hey, let's go. We got a My Will. And Meryl. It is My Wheel. Something like that. I don't know. Don't judge. Don't know the names. Ain't something I'm trying to. My Little Pony. Hollywood wanna be. Sobu. Cactus right there. Maracactus. What is that? Mudbray. Put a Pokemon, little Pokeballs in there. Okay. Oh shit. Vitality Band. Oh, that oyster, that cloister though. Ooh. Look at the artwork on that though. Ooh, that cloister little horde. Man, they get down on some of these, man. That's horde. That's a horde cord. Shield grab. Where the hell's my foil? Energy. Ain't got the energy for these energies, you know what I mean? They're lad in my life. Ooh, Sea King. Ooh. Look at that Sea King. That thing is hard. It's like when I walk by the Sea King, yeah. Oh, hell, get the hell out of here. Hitmonchan? Damn, non-hollow, but ooh. You know Hitmon. Dope. Hey, hard. So out of here, there we go. Okay. Got another sword and shield. Let's go. Go. Let's see what we get. So packed the packs. So far the packs have been whoop. I ain't got none. Hitmonchan's cool, I guess. Alright, cool. I ain't gotta struggle that hard. I ain't gotta struggle that hard. Let's see what we get. Someone is already ruined. A yeet. Let's get the hell out of here. I already got this stupid. A Katoni. A Charmander Burn is a Score Bunny. Slick Cobra. It's alright. Not bad. Not bad. Let's see what else we get up in here. Yomper. Yomp. Oh. Hold on. I see something shiny in the back. Ooh. Okay. A Clobbopus. Yeah, okay. That's cool. It's nice. It's nice. Look at that. Oh shit, got another one. Actual hollow. Persiker. Okay. Another hollow. Another hollow. Man, okay, fool. You on this side there. I'm trying to stay. Got time. For these energies. The bull and the quillfish. That one looks dope though. Look at that. That's dope. The art on these is dope. Okay. Yeah, man. That's nice. That's nice. Let's see. Another pack. Let's see what I should do. We'll do one more sword and shield. Why not, right? Hey, here's the season for this reason. Let's go. Man, I better get something dope. Those other packs are kind of whack. I want something dope. Give me something dope. Let's go with the flow. Hey. Bam, let's just go. Nick it. Tell her when I get home she better be Nicky. Okay, that's cool. It's a nice little card. A ball tie. That's cool, I guess. Hey, look at the graphics on that. On that chin chew. So I like it. Hey, filling my cards. Ooh, Krabby. Look at Krabby. Damn, look at the art on that, man. That's sick. I dig that. That's hard. Real talk. And then we got bam. Messino, Leo. Look at that. Skirt. What? This fool got an evolve form to himself too? What the hell did right on? Alright, Purrier. I didn't know that. That's dope too. At least it's just shining. Hey, we keep that. Hey. What else we got? Winsicott. I don't know how to pronounce these, so don't get out of here with these goddamn energies. I don't know what the hell Lumberry is. Corviscure. And we got a Galvantula for the last card. Hey, so happened to open like 4 packs. And then that kind of weak. That's cool. I guess that's for today. I'll open these up another day. I'll get more. I ain't tripping. I'll come back. Ain't no setbacks. Come back, even greater. Hey, well, thank you again. If you're watching, I appreciate y'all. If not, hey, y'all need to catch up. Cause y'all food playing. Alright, that's it for today. Catch y'all later.